Welcome to the universe, where gravity rules and galaxies collide. Today we're counting down the 7 most breathtaking galactic collisions in the cosmos. At number 7 we have the Antennae galaxies, a spectacular merger of 2 spiral galaxies, creating a stunning array of stars, gas and dust 45 million light-years from Earth, and colliding at a speed of 300 km/s. Coming in at number 6 are the Mice galaxies, 2 spiral galaxies in the process of colliding, 290 million light-years from Earth, with a collision time frame of 100 million years. At number 5 we have the Cigar galaxy, a distorted spiral galaxy resulting from a catastrophic collision 12 million light-years from Earth, with collision energy equivalent to 100 billion supernovae. The Cartwheel galaxy takes the number 4 spot, a ring galaxy formed by a collision 500 million light-years from Earth, with a collision speed of 1,000 km/s. At number 3 we have the Andromeda galaxy collision, a future merger between the Andromeda galaxy and our own Milky Way, which will reshape the galaxy landscape to 5 million light-years from Earth, in a collision time frame of 4.5 billion years. Coming in at number 2 is Stephan's Quintet, a group of galaxies in the process of colliding 300 million light-years from Earth, triggering the formation of new stars and planetary systems with collision energy equivalent to 10 billion supernovae. And at number 1 we have the Milky Way Andromeda merger, a future collision between our own galaxy and the Andromeda galaxy, reshaping the galaxy landscape 2.5 million light-years from Earth, in a collision time frame of 4.5 billion years. Join us next time for more cosmic wonders and breathtaking facts.